This is the fastest graphics card on the planet, the RTX 3090 Ti. Some of you also might know it as
the RTX 3090 Ti, a monster GPU.
Today we'll unbox it, check out all the lighting effects, and compare the size to the RTX 3080 Strix. So this specific card I have with me here is the EVGA for the Win 3 Black. Let's get into the unboxing. After we get that little piece of foam out of the way, we can see our 3090 Ti. It comes in a little anti-static bag with EVGA branding all over it. First impressions of the card. It looks really nice, and it's really big. The backplate has a really nice hexagon design. It has a black 2-slot I/O cover. For your I/O, you'll be getting 1 HDMI 2.1 and 3 DisplayPort 1.4s. Let's get to the rest of the packaging. Alright, so this is what EVGA calls their E-leash. The card is so big that it needs support. So this connects to your card and to the top of your PC case. This is EVGA's support bracket. Here's our triple 8-pin to 16-pin connector for power and 2 cable ties. This massive GPU requires so much power that NVIDIA had to design a new connector called the ATX 3.0 connector to power it. So this is an adapter from the ATX 3.0 to 3 8-pin connectors. Now for some peeling action. Alright, here's the 3090 Ti compared to the 3080 Strix. Lengthwise, the Strix is 0.7 inches longer. As you can see with the width though, the Strix is 2.9 slots and the EVGA is 3.5. There's a noticeable difference, but when you put them side by side, as you can see here, you can tell it's not much of a difference. I'm gonna stop talking, let's get to some B-roll. Okay, so let's go through the lighting effects. Okay guys, I really hope you enjoyed my video of the RTX 3090 Ti. Please subscribe and like and comment and everything, and I'll see you guys next time.